Now comes the most important day in the life of every CA fresher. That is the convocation day. I am truly blessed to live this dream and enjoyed it to the most. Let me share my insights on my convocation journey with you all so that you know how to prepare it and you can prepare it well. Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tanvi Sukhija and I am on a mission to help students and freshers to launch their career in the professional world by rising from mediocrity to excellence. सबसे पहले तो कॉन्वोकेशन होती क्या है? What is a convocation? So convocation is a meeting wherein ICAI invites you to give you the certificate that you have completed your chartered accountancy. Goosebumps आते हैं ना सुनने से ही. It's definitely the most precious day in your life. So ICAI will mail you regarding the details of your convocation, whether you have to choose which center or all the details regarding convocation in that mail. Just like you all, मुझे भी ये mail आया. But unfortunately, मेरा center था Delhi. But I have to change it to Jaipur due to some circumstances. So if you can't join in one particular center, you can always have that leverage to change the center. You have to mail it to ICAI that you won't be able to join in this particular center. So please ask them to shift your convocation center to some other place which is feasible for you. तो मुझे भी ये मेल आया. सो आई हैव चेंज माई सेंटर एंड उसमें फिर उसके बाद एक मेल आता है विद द वेन्यू डिटेल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. जयपुर में आई हैव अटेंडेड, सो इट वाज अ वेरी गुड प्रॉपर्टी. इसके अलावा इस मेल में बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जिनका आपको ध्यान रखना होता है वाइल योर कॉन्वोकेशन डे. नंबर 1 इज योर ड्रेस. Boys, they do send a color code or something like this, so you will have to dress appropriately as per the details mentioned in the email which has been sent by ICAI. Other than this, they also ask you to bring your certificate if you have already received, because in my case, some of the students have already received their certificates due to the COVID and every situation. So they would have to bring their certificates and submit it before the ceremony. I cleared in November 20 and मेरी convocation हुई थी April 23 after a long wait due to COVID. But I am glad that it happened, and I can't tell you what all feeling do you get when you have such huge personalities surrounded by you during your stage and your name announced by them. CA Tanvi Sukhija, please come on the stage. Yes, that was the introduction for me when my certificate has to be handed over to me. ये तो होगी brief description, but now I want to share my step-by-step journey of my CA convocation. So I reached the venue within the scheduled time, and there was some distribution of token which we will have to take, and there were some numbers allocated to you, and lunch coupons were distributed that time. So there was a scheduled time जिसमें हमें हमारी कॉन्वोकेशन ड्रेस कलेक्ट करनी होती है. दैट इज द ब्लैक कोट विच वी विल हैव टू वियर ड्यूरिंग द कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी, and some other documents which ICAI give us, like the scarf I've given the badge, I've given the pen, and every other small things that ICAI gives to you on the occasion of convocation ceremony. Once we have received that, we have moved to the next counter, that is the lunch time. Lunch time होते ही उसके बाद हमने खाना खाया, and then we went straight away to the hall where the convocation ceremony was taking place. So they were announcing the name of people on step by step basis. रैंक होल्डर्स को हमेशा पहले बुलाते हैं, एंड उसके बाद सीरियल वाइज दे कॉल यू नेम बाय नेम टू गिव यू द सर्टिफिकेट्स. सो मेरा टर्न आए आफ्टर लॉन्ग वेट. सबसे पहले कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी स्टार्ट होते ही हमें एक प्लेज लेना होता है. जो इंस्टीट्यूट का प्लेज होता है वो हमें हमारी जो किट मिलती है CS फ्रेशर्स को, उसमें एक पेपर में लिखा भी होता है, एंड वी हैव टू टेक दैट प्लेज. उसके बाद जो चीफ गेस्ट होते हैं उनकी स्पीच होती है और थोड़ी बहुत सेरेमनी होती है जो नॉर्मली हर एक फंक्शन में होती है. देन दे कॉल रैंक होल्डर्स फॉर गिविंग देयर सर्टिफिकेट फॉर द कॉन्वोकेशन सेरेमनी, एंड उसके बाद सीक्वेंस वाइज सबको बुलाते हैं वन बाय वन ऑन देयर टर्न. तो जब बुलाते हैं एंड उसके बाद दे कॉल यू बाय योर नेम एंड नाउ पेरेंट्स आर ऑल्सो इन्वाइटेड अलॉन्ग विद यू, सो यू कैन टेक योर पेरेंट्स. Some people also call their parents on the stage. During my time, parents were not allowed, so I couldn't take my parents along with me on the stage. There is a panel of 10 to 12 CAs along with the chief guest who gives you your certificate for completion of chartered accountancy and they congratulate you on the stage. वो feeling होती है ना, trust me, उससे better कोई feeling नहीं होगी आपकी पूरी CA journey में, CA life में. वो एक feeling beats all the hard work which you have done. So if you want to live that moment, you will have to do that hard work. And that is the moment you realize कि हाँ, इस सब के लिए मैंने ये सब करा था. So I'll share one video, one small clip I have for my CA convocation journey with you. This feeling I was talking about. Amazing ना? You can live your dream, but just थोड़ा सा एक push और देना है कि आप भी ये क्लियर कर सको. The only motive for sharing this video is to express my gratitude towards this profession, towards ICI for giving me the opportunity to live my dream. And number 2 is motivate all the people like you who are working really, really hard to achieve their dream to get this CA prefix. So if you were planning to stop or you were not working this hard to get your dream, just a little reminder to you all. Start working on dreams and this 2-lettered word, this prefix will chase you. And then you can live your life with this prefix respectfully. That is it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that it may benefit them as well. In case you have any questions, you can reach out to me through Instagram, LinkedIn, or you may join my Telegram community. Do not forget to mention your biggest takeaway from this video in the comment section below.